What if I told you that one philosophy could make you fearless, unstoppable, and successful in just 24 hours? Sounds impossible, right? But Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus cracked the code centuries ago. And today I'll show you how you can do it too, starting right now. Stay with me till the end, because if you apply these Stoic principles, your life will never be the same. 1. The secret power of perception. Most people react emotionally to everything. Someone cuts them off in traffic, they get mad. Someone insults them online, they argue. But the Stoics? They mastered the art of control. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." How to apply this today? The 90-second rule. When something triggers you, wait for 90 seconds before reacting. Reframe every bad event as a lesson or test to grow stronger. 2. How to become emotionally untouchable. Ever noticed how successful people don't waste time fighting trolls? That's because they understand this. People who try to bring you down are already beneath you. Here's the Stoic rule. Don't give emotional reactions to negativity. Respond with logic or complete silence. Practice the observer mindset. Imagine you're watching your life as a movie. Would you want the main character, you, to look weak and reactive? No. Challenge. Next time someone tries to provoke you, smile, say nothing, and walk away. You just won. 3. Stop caring about what others think. Most people are trapped in their own minds, constantly thinking, "What will people say? What if I fail?" Epictetus said, "If you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." Reality check. 99% of people are too busy thinking about themselves to care about you. How to apply this? Wear something unusual in public. Walk with confidence. Speak your mind freely. The more you do it, the less you'll care. 4. The secret to endless motivation. Laziness is not real, it's just a lack of purpose. Memento mori. Remember, you will die. Every wasted day is a day you'll never get back. Think like a warrior. The greatest Stoics woke up every day and asked, "What mission must I complete today?" Challenge. Every morning, write down one mission that will make your day successful. Then, do it. Final chapter. How to become unbreakable. Life is unfair. People will betray you. You will fail. But here's the Stoic truth. It's not about what happens to you. It's about how you respond. Marcus Aurelius's rule. Turn every problem into an opportunity. Got fired? Time to build something new. Heartbroken? Time to level up. Pain. Growth. If life is hard, you're getting stronger. Final Stoic challenge. For the next 24 hours, practice these Stoic rules. Comment below how it changed your mindset. If you found value in this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment "I am Stoic" if you're ready to transform your life.